In this video, we're traveling half-packed. I've got way too many bags, but we're just moving down the road to this beautiful new hotel room with an epic free oceanside breakfast. After that, I'm going to show you all a little mini temple and take you out to some late night spots that I found a good sunset, some more great food, and then a hidden gem in the mountains. End of the video's got some great drone shots. This is part of the story that doesn't usually get shared. We're about to move to another resort. I got a backpack on my back, a backpack on my front, and a backpack on my side. Nick's got a couple too. And we got to get out of this resort because I didn't book it long enough. I thought we'd leave the island, but we are not. I want to do advanced diving. Nick still has another day of diving to do. And then he's going to take off, and I'm going to go to KohTao for the full moon party. But yeah, we'll let you know how the new room looks. New spot's looking pretty fancy. All right, keeping with tradition, we are in the new spot. This place is gorgeous. It's a big ass resort. It's got 5 swimming pools, a gym. You got koi fish all over the place. Goes all the way down. Looking super cool. I requested a stay on the first floor. I asked for not a lot of steps because of my leg. I was pretty sore when I booked this. But instead I got this in hill. I like steps better than hills because my ankle doesn't bend proper on hills. But now we'll flip the camera around and show you my room. So this is my little porch. Comes with a live plant. Some glass doors. It's smaller than the last room, but it's like more fancy, if you will. Towels, refrigerator. Yes, I have my own coffee spot. Blow dryer for my hair, which is surprisingly important with all the diving that I've been doing. Oh my goodness, we got some robes. Pretty nice bathroom. All right, they provide soap and shampoo and all that stuff. Yeah. I'm satisfied. No view. It's all right with me. But yeah, this isn't a diving resort, so we're not actually taking the diving classes here, but everybody else will be, so we'll have people to vibe with. Super pleased. Some of the artistic side of the hotel. Some rock statues and stuff.
2 very boring minutes later.
So the view from our breakfast this morning is terrible. I definitely don't recommend this. Our breakfast came free at this place, so no price for this one. And I got a random message at breakfast about 1 million. Had to stop along the side of the road and just take this in for a moment. I didn't actually go exploring at this one, but it was just open and I didn't see any people anywhere, so I didn't know if it was even open to the public. But it was absolutely gorgeous, so we got some photo opportunities. All right, I officially love this hotel more than any of the other ones, just for one reason alone. The AC stays on when you leave, even when you take your card out of the thing. Even if your card is in the thing and you go on the front porch and shut the door, you're locked out. So I learned that one too. But, yes, I finally come back. And it's cool in here. I don't have to rip off all my clothes. Oh, nice. Well, I'm off to another sunset alone because Nick is still not feeling well. / I think he's sleeping again. We went out, got 1 meal, and it's probably pushing the rest of the shit through him, just like I told him the day before. You gotta eat to get the other shit out. I'm gonna stop at the dive shop, find out where my information is. I should have received an hour and a half ago. So I can watch the rest of this video, take a test. Want to do that before I have any drinks tonight, because I don't have to dive until noon. So I'd like to have a couple of drinks early. I'm gonna go do some filming, and that's that. Found somebody's hydroponic garden up here where I wanted to run the drone. This is the kind of setup I want to make at home. So this is the molting process of this bug. I think it's a cicada, but I'm not actually sure. But it was cool. He just came out of there recently. What's up, everybody? So I just stopped off at the dive school. I got my registration set for my classes for the advanced dive course. And now I'm up at the top of a mountain. I'm gonna do some drone shots. My little drone right there. Just waiting for the home point to update because it's always best to fly with the home point. So when I lose it in the sky, I can get it back to me. This is awesome. They got this whole greenhouse right here, all hydroponics. Very similar to what I want to do. But I love how they built around everything. Even the greenhouses have trees growing through them. It's awesome. Home point's been updated. Time to fly.
2 hours later.
Guys, we made it up to Eagle Point View. We can go up here and catch the end of the sunset, have some food. Oh, this is beautiful. Once we got up to the top of those steps, we passed a few cool pieces of art and then came to this little lookout. But the next section of steps had some really cool art. You guys got to check this out. You know I'm into art, so I'm going to have to post some of these pictures. And they got these broccoli plants everywhere. But check out some of this artwork. I really love the 3D effect of all this. That's all just painted on there. And then the beautiful sunset from up on top. Man, I really wish Nick was up here with me instead of suffering with food poisoning in his bed, because this view is epic. I just went ahead and took a couple of different viewpoints and camera shots. So I'm just going to give you guys my honest overall review of this spot right here. It was a heck of a drive to get out there. The food was a little subpar and small portioned for what we're used to in Thailand. Worst drink I ever had. Drink prices were okay, but that was the worst drink I ever had. There was trash all around the place, so meh. Great views, but they could use to work on it a little.
5 minutes later.
So on the way home, I just saw this cool place called the Natural High cannabis spot and restaurant. It's the cutest little spot to pull up. Got these giant rocks everywhere, which is like a thing here. And we can head up there and see what it looks like. Hear all the frogs. See if we can spot one. There's one right there. There's another one right over here. Check out the foundation of this place, just built on this giant rock. Oh, so awesome. This whole place was really laid out, really nice. Definitely had a good time. Can definitely recommend stopping in and seeing this place. This is the little bar where you can get your drinks and cigarettes made, and they got more of this broccoli everywhere. Hey guys, this was a shorter video, but I hope you enjoyed it because it was a super fun day for me regardless. I wish Nick was feeling better, but I hope you guys can enjoy some of these drone shots I got earlier in the day. What a great opportunity this was to be out there. I'm so blessed to be traveling out here and through the Philippines and Thailand. If you've never been out here, you gotta try to get out here. If you want information on how to do it, or you just want somebody to hang out with, I'll be traveling pretty much every winter, so hit me up and get out there and get some traveling done, guys. Thank you again. If you made it this far into the video, you're an absolute legend.